Hi guys, this is Matthew again. This is our third digits strategy for today. As stated earlier, if you have not subscribed to all our three channels, just go right now to go and subscribe to our three channels. We've dropped two here and two here, and we're going to drop two here where you are currently watching this on. Just go right now to go and subscribe to all our channels for more upcoming strategy. We're going to paste all the links to subscribe in the video description on YouTube. So let's quickly place one trade since we'll be waiting for 2 minutes after each trade. So we are trading the digits differ, and we are using the smart trader. So I've logged in. We are using the derivative interface smart trader. So this is the volatility 50 index. We dropped the volatility 10, 25, and this is the 50 index digits differ strategy. So I've logged in and we're going to be working with the numbers again and placing 4 trades. So the first one is 49, that means the tick is 4 and the last prediction is 9. 4 and the last prediction is 9. So we're going to paste the first trade now. So after that we're going to wait for 2 minutes before we go for the second tick, the third tick, and that's the fourth tick. You can see we won that trade already. We won that trade. The last number is 4 right there, so we won that trade. So before we proceed now, since we are going, you have to wait for 2 minutes after each trade. So here are the links again, and for those who haven't purchased the Thought Scalper bot, just to let you guys know that the version 6.0 is out today, 1st of May 2021. The version 6.0 is out, and you can see some of the results right here. You can see some of the results right there, the version 6.0. You can see here are some of the results right here today, 1st of May 2021 right there. The bot is just 9.99 USD. The 6.0 comes in 2 versions, the one for Deriv and the one for binary.com. For those who haven't purchased the bot, all you have to do is to visit www.thoughtscalper.ctystechnologies.com.ng to order the bot. For those who have purchased the bot, we are going to send the updates to you at no extra cost today. Just check your emails. We're going to send the updates to you. You can see some of the results again today, 1st of May 2021. The Pip Stripper bot as well, it has been updated today, 1st of May 2021, and we're going to send the updates to all those who have previously purchased the bot at no extra cost. The bot is just 7.99 USD, and you can make payment for all our bots using Bitcoin, Web Money, Perfect Money, debit card, bank transfer, and other payment options. So to order the Pip Stripper bot, visit www.binarypipstripper.ctystechnologies.com.ng to order the bot, and you can see some of the results of the Pip Stripper bot right there. Some of the results today, 1st of May 2021 right there. And as stated earlier, don't forget to subscribe to all our channels. We have a new channel now. You can see the new channel. We've added it to our 2 channels, so we have 3 channels. Subscribe to all our channels. This is a new channel. These are all our channels. So once you're on our channels, we know that they are our channel. You can see this is one of our channel, and this is another channel, and this is the third channel right there. So just subscribe to all our channels for more upcoming strategies. Here are the links again to order the Pip Stripper bot. This is a link to order the Pip Stripper bot, binary Pip Stripper bot.ctystechnologies.com.ng, and the Thought Scalper bot, thoughtscalper.ctystechnologies.com.ng. And for those who don't have a trading account, here is the link to sign up for a free trading account to test all the strategies on demo before you go live. And we're going to paste all this in the video description on YouTube. So this is the link to subscribe to our channel. This is the channel 1. This is the link. This one will take you straight to where you hit the subscribe button. For those who haven't subscribed, this is the new channel on the second line here. This is channel 2. This is a new channel, and we have some strategies there already. So just we will be dropping 6 strategies today, 2 on each of the channels. So subscribe to all the channels to watch all our strategies. So this is the third channel right there. So we're going for trade number 2, which is 2-8. So it means the tick is 2 and the prediction is 8. So it's already after 2 minutes. So make sure you wait for at least 2 minutes before you place each trade. So we're going to click on the digits differ again. That's tick 1, that's tick 2. So we already won that trade. As you can see, the last digit is 0, so our prediction is 8, so we already won that. So we're going to wait for 2 minutes. So once this thing is 15, 115, we're going to place the third trade. So let me just enter it there, 6-4. So we're going for 6-4 now. The tick is 6 and the prediction is 4. So the tick is 6 and the prediction is 4. So once this thing is 115, we will place the third trade. Okay, let's go for the third trade now. So we're going to 6 ticks. That's tick 1, tick 2, tick 3, tick 4, tick 5, tick 6. So as you can see, we won that trade too. The last one is 0 there, so and our prediction is 4. So we are going to wait. Once this thing is 1:13, 12, that's 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we'll go for the last trade, which is 9-3. Our last trade is 9-3. It's 9 and our prediction is 3. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to all our channels as stated earlier. Hit the subscribe button. Subscribe to all our channels for more upcoming strategies. This is our channel. We dropped 6 strategies today, two strategies on each of the channel. So subscribe to watch all the strategies. This is the second channel. So if you are not subscribed yet, this is how you know where the channel you are currently on. So this one channel, is another channel, and this is another channel. So and the links will be pasted in the video description to subscribe and to also order our boats. All the links will be pasted in the video description. Let's check the video description. So let's wait. Once this thing is 1:13, we'll go for, we're working with the time counter, the seconds right there. Okay, that's 1:13. Let's just wait a bit and we'll go for the last trade. Okay, let's go for our last trade. So our tick is 9, so let's wait. That's the first tick, tick 2, tick 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So as you can see, we won all the trades. Our last position is 3 and the last tick is 0, sorry. So we want all the trades right there. So just make sure you follow the time count before you go for another trade. Thanks for watching. Bye.